Alright guys, I just got done filming my two-faced video. My full face makeup only using two-faced video. Right now I'm gonna change Maddie's diaper. We're gonna get ready and head out to go to the mall. I gotta go pick up my Tiffany necklace from Tiffany. It's been there for like 6 months. I just never go because it's so far. And yeah, so that is what we're doing right now. I'm excited to finally get to wear my Tiffany necklace because Josh got it for me. I think on our anniversary. I don't remember where. I think maybe it was Valentine's Day. But yeah, so I'm gonna get dressed real quick. It's 11.
Go back.
What? But yeah, so that's our plan. And I have to pack today too, like absolutely have to do it. Okay guys, so we just got back from running the rest of our errands. What? No. I got my Tiffany necklace today back. Missed it a lot. But we also got an air fryer. I honestly don't know what the heck I'm doing, but I guess trial and error. We got egg rolls, Friday jalapeno poppers, and I also got these popsicles. I think they're really good. So I bought some of these. I want to cook some tonight. And we got a little bit of groceries for the house. Got Madison some wipes, her little Frozen pajamas. We also bought tickets for the Frozen movie, which I can't wait to see. I'm probably more excited than Maddie is. Yeah, so like we did a lot today, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try these egg rolls. I got 0 packing done today, which I figured was gonna happen. So I guess I'm just gonna have to try to do it during the week. Okay guys, so they're all finished now. And they feel crispy, they look crispy, and I can't wait to try some. Hi guys, happy Sunday. I haven't vlogged at all this weekend, but I decided today I will pick up the camera and do something. Right now I'm making us breakfast. I was working on cleaning the kitchen and trying to straighten up the house a bit. I am gonna start packing for the apartment today. I have to pack my beauty room, clean the basement, and pack Maddie's room is what my goal is. Sorry, I'm like making eggs for us.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Today was a very hug? Okay. I love you. Anyways, she's watching Toy Story. We brought her TV out here because I couldn't find the remote to that TV, so she's watching her TV. The house is a disaster right now from like trying to pack, and I feel like that like your house just gets really messy when you're trying to pack and stuff, and you kind of just like don't care anymore.
Take all time, Papa Sister, it gets put down, but it was Toy Story. It comes down with your daddy with Toy Story. Also, all that I get is a toy.
Yes.
To come down to with the wish you want to, we so happy, vibes.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
You're so cute. Why are you so cute? Because I made you, huh?
Yeah. Cookies.
Cookies and cupcakes?
Yeah.
You're crazy. You can't have cookies and cupcakes.